Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be doing swatches on the new Morphe Brontours. So this is a new product that is available now online and in stores. I do have an affiliate code, which is the word makeup. This will save you 10% off. The code can be used online and at the registers inside any Morphe store. So there's a total of 6 shades and each shade retails for $12. And I don't believe these will be limited edition. I think these will be added to their permanent line. So this product is a bronzer and a contour duo. Morphe describes these as a duo that pairs your perfect matte contour shade with the radiant bronzer. They are 8 grams and they come in a matte plastic packaging with the snap closure, and they do include a good quality mirror. So when I first saw the lightest shade, I personally thought that there was no way this one could be a bronzer or a contour shade, but I could be wrong. I'm not very familiar with lighter shades. I'm considered to be in the medium and darker shades. Since I don't want this product to go to waste, I really do like the shimmery shade. It actually looks really nice as a highlighter. It's more on the settle side, and the matte shade I might try to use it for settling my concealer. So I'm currently a NC42 in MAC foundations and a 7.0 in Urban Decay All Nighter foundation, and the shade I would buy would be Vlogger. I actually like how this shade looks on my skin. I like mixing both shades for that warm light shimmery bronzer. So when I did the swatches, I noticed that these are more pigmented when you use a brush instead of actually using your finger to do a swatch. When using a brush, I did notice they do have a little bit of kick up, but not as much as the new ABH bronzers. And I also do like that these bronzers are buildable. In my opinion, I feel that some of the contour shades might be too warm, but if you actually mix both shades, it actually makes a really pretty bronzer. So I hope you guys find this video helpful. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys very soon on my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching.